Hello everyone, this is Crafting with Christy, and today I am doing part 2 of my Diamond Art Club unboxing. So yeah, disclaimer, you are going to probably hear my toddler and my boyfriend. So yeah, yay! I get to open a Diamond Art Club. Yes, I couldn't find my scissors, so right before I started this video, I just tore it and well, bam. Okay. So, this is one of the new releases that came out, like, I think last week or 2 weeks ago. So, I'm gonna try and show y'all without bumping the camera. It is Crystal Lake Cabin. It is a 30 by 20 inch. It's 76 by 51 centimeter, and it does have AB, and I'm pretty sure this is a big one. The only and this cost me like $11 because I used a 50 off coupon, which is very nice. And let's see, I know there's, oh my goodness, look at all them drills. Alrighty, I'm gonna set that aside. Oh, I'm so sorry. So it is a square. The reason why I got this is because I've never done like a scenery.
Come on, dude. Sorry.
You're fine. Told you you'd hear the boyfriend.
So much.
Anyways, this is all that comes in a Diamond Art Club toolkit. A blue pen, blue squishy. I like putting the squishies on the blue pen. You get, since it is a square and it does say on the bag it is a square kit, you get very sharp tweezers, and they, ow, yeah, that's what I get for opening the lid. A little handful of baggies, a clear boat with a spout, 2 wax, and I don't think I got a placer. That's alright, I have plenty. I have plenty of placers. It's okay. One's not gonna hurt me. And I started using the pink heart wax, and I absolutely love it. I love it, love it, love it. So that is all that comes in your Diamond Art Club toolkit. And I know for a fact that I'm not going to get this whole canvas in frame. So when it is time for me to edit this video, I'll just put a picture whenever I show the canvas. So, sorry, I'm out of frame. So there's the canvas. And here's their booklet. So here is step-by-step instructions to diamond painting, Diamond Art Club. Start creating your masterpiece today. So there is that, which is very nice. Okay, so this does have 48 colors. What I'm just gonna try and do is roll it the other way if it will let me. because we want to see the beautiful image. I can't remember the artist who did this. I'll put it here on the screen because I'm not sure. I know it's not a Chuck Pinson. I think a couple of us thought it was a Chuck Pinson, but it's not. It is not. It is not. Oh, let me see something real quick. Does it have a sticker or anything? Yep. It has a sticker. I knew I was missing something. And there goes the box. Okay. I'll show you the sticker here in a minute. I'm just helping it relax. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to just set that there. This is the image. Still can't believe that has 48 colors. That's going to look pretty. So, oh my goodness, this is going to be really, oh my gosh, but you can see the detail. Holy cow. Oh my goodness.
I ate my beans gone.
That's good, boy. That's good.
I need water.
Okay, sorry, I paused y'all for a second. I wanted to kind of move y'all up a little without y'all getting sick. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm just at odd. Like, you can see the boat, the flowers. Holy crap. Like, let's see. I know it has ABs. Okay, so it looks like it has 3 ABs. A green, a white, and a purple. Because it's 1, 2, and 3. No, 2. Because 150, after 150, it's, I think it is, correct me if I'm wrong, but, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go through the drills. Look at, just, oh my goodness gracious. If you don't like the crinkling, please just mute your phone. I love it. I love the crinkling. Okay, so before I even go further, let me see if I can scoot it down well. Bird. I'm just loving the detail in this. Holy cow. I'm sorry, I keep shaking y'all. I don't mean to. Y'all go for a ride. Yeah, 155 is not an AB, so it's just 2. Sorry if y'all can see me. Okay, so there's the white AB right there. I don't want to take it out of the packaging because Lord knows it's a pain in the butt to get back in. You know what? Just for y'all. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so there's two of these. Yeah, they're the same. It's 833. So I'm gonna, excuse me. Sorry about that. Had to pause y'all. Hurry up, Luke. Some greens and some, it looks like tan. Holy cow. Is that 35? 3607, 718, 728, 841, 3799, 3756, 666, 413, 3776, 3865, 4, 210, 321, 498, 3024, 934, 640. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. 3325, 818, 436, 779. Oh gosh, there's a lot. This whole strip is all mostly greens. Sorry, I bumped y'all as I try and, excuse me real quick. Sorry about that. 890, which is like a dark green, another 890. 937. Another 937. Another 937. Sorry, parenting. 3371. 895. Another 895. And 470.
Hold on, baby.
Oh my gosh, this is a long strip. I could have been wrong. I thought there was 2 ABs, but then we got 3770. We got our first AB, which is 141. We got 775, which is like a really pretty blue. Look at that. 135. It's like a green, like a pea green. That's so pretty. So what Aurora, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And it's just an extra coating to make the diamonds sparkle just a little bit more. Then we got 677, 890, 894. Ooh, that's a pretty purple. 3746, 318. 434. And we're tangled. Literally. 904. 938. 898. 310. Really? Is that all the 310 we got? That's awesome. We got more greens than 310s. I'm gonna be living the green life. Woo! Anyways, 3347, 3755, 155. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is it? That's 155. 317, 414, 340, and 471. So I'm going to move these over here. Hopefully none of them fall. Just setting them in my chair. I want to show you the, holy crap. I want to show y'all the drill field. I know y'all can kind of see it. Maybe? If I move that. So, yeah, I'm gonna be living somewhat of the confetti life, which is totally okay for me. I want to find the ABs, which are 1 and 2. Let's see. Oh, sorry if you saw my head. So ones are gonna be these right up here. It's in the trees, and all the ones are right here, right up here, like all up in that tree, some in there. So they're kind of sprinkled everywhere. Oh, okay, so look, here, let me see if I can. There's smoke coming out. That's so cool. Is that AB? No, that's not AB. Number 2. Where would number 2 be sprinkled? I'm looking. No, okay, so the trimming on the house has some. Let's see if there's any. No, none in the clouds. Okay, so there's some up in here. So kind of sprinkled a little bit in the clouds. I think that's a mountain if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, yeah, that's a mountain. So like in here and up here and in the trimming. So I'm very, very impressed with this. Oh, I'm so sorry. I bumped you. It's the way my tripod, wow, my lazy arm is. I'm a little, let me see. Okay, so there's kind of a reflection in here, so, because I was a little worried about, like, right in this area, but I shouldn't be. I kind of want to start it, even though it's not a check consent, and I just want to see how it turns out. I know I'm gonna be living the confetti and the green life, but you know what? I'm okay with that. So, yeah. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I think that's a bird. There's ducks! Holy crap! I'm just... Look, there's ducks. So, anyways, sorry. I kind of went a little crazy. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, hey, I'm Crafting with Christy. Welcome. And if you're new, hello. But, if you have already subscribed, please hit that bell so you know when I put up a video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. I also do have my email in the description box if you would like to email me. But other than that, I will see you on my next video. Bye!